In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a list in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're new to ActiveCampaign or just looking to streamline your workflow, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. You can find this in the left-hand menu on your ActiveCampaign dashboard. It's where all your contacts are stored and managed, so thoroughly knowing this area will definitely enhance how you use the platform overall. Once you're in the Contacts section, it's time to locate the specific contact you want to work with. You can do this by simply using the search feature. Enter the name or email address of the contact you're looking for, and their record should appear quickly. When you find your contact, open their record by clicking on it. This will bring up all the pertinent details related to that contact, allowing you to take various actions. Next, let's focus on the Lists section within the Contacts record. This is where you can manage the lists your contact is subscribed to. You'll notice an option to add. Clicking on this will open up a pop-up, presenting you with a list of available options. Selecting the desired list is as easy as browsing through this pop-up and choosing the appropriate one that fits your current needs. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm. This action adds the contact to the chosen list, enabling you to include them in targeted communications or marketing campaigns based on that list's criteria. Now, let's discuss what to do if you need to unsubscribe a contact from a list. This is just as straightforward. With your contact record still open, navigate to the Lists section again and find the list you want to change their status on. Click on the list, and this will give you the option to alter the contact's status. Managing unsubscribes is equally as important as subscribing, so ActiveCampaign has made it smooth and convenient for you to adjust as needed. And there you have it. Adding contacts to lists and managing those lists within ActiveCampaign doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about navigating confidently within the platform, knowing where to click, and being clear about what your objectives are in managing your audience. Whether you are reaching out to customers about a new product launch or segmenting them by interest for more personalized communication, these steps will be your building blocks towards effective email marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more ActiveCampaign tips and tricks to optimize your campaigns. Until next time, happy marketing!